Well, that's not the sound a rock tumbler is supposed to be making. Even though this one's full of sockets, I used a rock tumbler to, polish off the rust on the socket so they sell better. I went through all my tools I had from my previous life and the tools my brother had given me back when he built bridges in Texas, and went through them, picked out what I needed, and put the Snap-on and Matco and Mac up for sale. Those are the top three brands as far as I'm concerned as far as hand tools. As far as hammers go, there's Eastwing and Plum on a few other items.
Who let the cats out? Man, Mountain Link. Who let the cats out? He's going to put that one in his videos, watch. He'll like cut splice real quick.
Alright, so you got your postage scale and you're ready to weigh your item, and you can't read the scale. What should you do? What's the easiest way? I understand this box is not put together, and if I put it together it'd be smaller and all that and all this. It's an example, people. Give me a break. I'm trying to show you something. You're getting all testy here. If you put that piece of tape on there, tear it out, put your oversized package, and then you can see what it weighs. See? Wasn't that worth the wait? I'll be right back with you with the next sale. That's it right there. This next item here, these caps originally came from Dollar World, and someone bought them and then donated them to the thrift store that sold them for 50 cents. So I bought all three of them. They're all navy blue, they're all just the same. And I had met a guy, I guess a friend, odd friend, but I guess most of us are odd. Chief Smoking Noggin. Met him in the Garage Flips comments and found his store and bought one of these yellow cab company patches from a defunct cab company in New York State. Well, instead of sending me one, he sent me all of them. And I think there was more than 15, less than 20 in the bag. So what we did was sewed the patch on the cap. So, and they sold. Someone bought all three of them. I was selling them for $12.99 a piece with $3.99 shipping, and he bought all three, paid $31.08 and $11.97 shipping. So in this instance, I'll be giving this person well, his name is James, so I'm assuming it's a dude. I'm gonna give this fella his shipping refund. Pretty substantial, because this only weighs 13 ounces. Anyway, let me get it packed up in the mail. Didn't know if it would work or not, but I thought it was worth a shot, and it turns out it did. I guess next time I'm down in Corinth, I'll pick up some more caps. Ain't like that, Bobby. Real cap guy. Sold these three items. Did you see the video about the knives? I bought the knives online. Bought them on eBay back in 2017. The guy was selling knives 99 cents a piece, free shipping on auction. I would put a certain amount in, and if I won, I won. If I didn't, I didn't. And I ended up buying a whole banana box full of knives over a couple of months. And I just set them back. And what was it, a couple of months back, maybe a little bit more. I pulled them out and looked them up and decided I could sell them. This one sold for $22.95 plus shipping. I believe I had about $7 in. Sold for $22.95 plus shipping. And just like that guy, I'll just ship it in that same box. The guy that sold it to me shipped it to me like that. I'll tape it up, wrap it up, send it on. I bought this at a yard sale. I had no idea what it was. I knew it was a tool of some sort. I thought it was a brake tool. It is a spindle nut socket made by Mile Marker. There is no markings on it other than those numbers, but that turned out to be enough to look it up. And it sold for $17.95 plus shipping on top. I learned more about tools from this one socket than I did much anything else. This is P&C Tool Company. It stands for Peterson and Cleghorn, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It is now Proto, but Peterson and Cleghorn was. Well, I put the information up right here. So they were bought by Plum, spelled with an O. Plum, spelled with an O, was sued by Plum, spelled with a U, and Plum, spelled with an O, changed their name to Proto. So P&C is now owned by Proto. Turned out there was a lot of American manufacturers of tools, and some of the tools themselves are collectible because of who made them, not because they're a tool, if that makes any sense. And I have no idea if this sold because of who made it or because it's a rare size. It is a 29/32. I don't know if you've ever run across a 29/32 situation in your life, but I haven't. And I've worked in cotton mills and farm machinery and quite a few other things, and never have I once needed a 29/32. But I put it up for sale for $9, and I saw it had a watcher, so I sent my offer of $8 plus shipping on top, and he took it. This socket was most likely made in the 40s or 50s. Maybe earlier, but definitely 40s and 50s is when P&C went out of business, or was bought out by Plum with an O. So yeah, that's the three things we're going to take inside and get packed up, and we will be with you in a minute with the next thing that we sell. I made an offer. I was selling the hat for 10. Made an offer to a guy for 9. He countered at 7, and I went ahead and took it. That's 7 plus shipping. Paid $2 Walmart retail arbitrage. These 2 decks of playing cards sold for $10.99 for free shipping. They came from Walgreens, 90% off clearance. Should be less than $1 in each box. I don't know if I mentioned that one or not, but this is just another Bowie knife, just like the last one I sold. This makes a total of 2, in case I showed that before. I sold a Christmas ornament, believe it or not, and I gotta go pull it out of the storage shed and get it wrapped up, and get the rest of this stuff wrapped up too. Be right back with you. Focus. Sold this E-Carry company Mobile, Alabama bottle. Sold for $7.50 because of that right there. Hadn't had that in it. I probably could have got quite a bit more. But as it is, I probably had 50 cents in it. Sold it for $7.50 plus shipping. Let's get it packed up. This is Just Dance 2016 for the PS4. I had it listed for $9.99. I saw a watcher. I sent out an offer for $8.99. He took it, paid, and I'm getting ready to ship it out. Oh, I gotta go town. I ain't got time for this. It's whiteout conditions. And I'm completely out of correction fluid. We might not make it through this one, folks. Is that an airplane? Looks like an airplane. So I was really going in there for discount groceries, but I saw they got in a lot of aquarium stuff, and as usual, they just stick a price on it, make it up as they go along, without any reference to comparables, you know, no comps. They just set the price and price it. So these were 99 cents, and it looks like I'll be able to sell them for about $7 a piece. And these are algae blocks. It keeps the algae from growing in your fountains. And these expire December 2023. So I got all the ones that expired in 2023, which wouldn't but 4, and I'll sell them 2 at a time. I think I'll be able to get like $15, $14.99, something along those lines. All right, let's go do what we came to do in town and get back to the house. It's a regular Tennessee blizzard, I tell you what. We got that automatic transmission, but we got 4 on the floor, so we'll be all right. We're gonna go on home. And there you go. Yeah, we only have 3 going out today. I just put them in those bags and hang them from a hook there. Doesn't seem to have caused any problems with the postal carriers. I discussed it with them before I did this, and they seem happy with it. You see, the postal carriers get a package bonus at the end of the year for each package they pick up in their route. How you doing? That's Smut. Hey, Smut. Yeah, same to you. Alright, so, yeah. We're going to end it here, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Man Mountain Link. Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.